You are also bored like me in this lockdown, aren't you? So I have something new and creative idea for you. Welcome to my channel VASTRAM, leading threads to design. Guys, today I am gonna show you some embroidery basics. Now embroidery is a thing which makes a simple piece of cloth so attractive. You can even use it in your old outfit and can give a new look to it. So let's get started. For embroidery, you will need a pair of scissors, a needle, a cotton thread. You can also use that regular thread if you don't get this in this lockdown, embroidery ring, and a piece of cotton cloth. You will get all this from the local market. First, we will learn how to secure this cloth into this screw. For that, separate these two rings. Keep the smaller one down. Put the area of cloth where you want to do embroidery in the middle of this ring and cover it with this another part of ring. Like this. This part should be tight enough so that you can do this embroidery properly. You can use this screw for tightening the ring. Now, today we will learn 5 stitches: running stitch, stem stitch, criss-cross stitch, satin stitch and chain stitch. I have done markings for these stitches over here. This is for running stitch, this is for satin stitch, this is for criss-cross stitch, stem stitch and chain stitch. You can see these markings. I will show you little bit closer. This is half centimeter markings I have done so that our stitches are proper and in equal distance. We will start from running stitch. For this, bring this needle up from here like this. Put it back down from this marking. Again bring it up from this marking. And again put it down. Running stitch is mostly used in kantha embroidery. And kantha embroidery is mostly used in bed sheets and stalls. Like this. We will repeat the same process and complete this line, but make sure that the distance between each stitches are equal, because this is the main thing in running stitch. Like this, we have completed the whole line. It looks like this even from the back side. And to secure all the stitches, here we will give a nice knot. Just see to it that a knot doesn't look outside or in the front part. done. We will cut this with a pair of scissors. See, this is a running stitch. Okay, now we will start the second stitch, that is satin stitch. For this, again bring this needle up from here and put it back down from the opposite end of the parallel line, like this. Again, from just beside the point we have done the first stitch, bring this needle up and again do the same thing just beside this stitch. Put this needle back down. As the name suggests, it will give a satin look to your embroidery. And if it done using silk thread, then it is known as chamba embroidery. This embroidery can be used in any of the motif of embroidery, and as I said, this is also known as chamba embroidery if it is done through silk thread. We will repeat the same process. And here we completed this stitch. Just give a nice note to this stitch as we did it earlier. Now moving forward to third stitch, that is criss-cross stitch. For this, again bring this needle up from here. Now we have drawn two parallel lines, and to the opposite point of next parallel line over here, see this mark, put this needle back down and bring it back up from here. You can see this like this, so it will form such a line. Now put this needle back down to this point. Again bring this needle up beside this point. Put it back over here. Bring beside this point, that is end point of first stitch. Again bring it down. You can use this in any of the border or neckline of a kurti. We will repeat the same process the whole line. You can see this cross borders, the crisscross of this stitch, and how the other stitch is overlapping the first one. So how nice it is looking. And again the same thing, at last we need to secure our stitches. Now moving forward to fourth stitch, that is stem stitch. As its name suggests, it gives a look like a stem. Now for this, again the same process, bring the needle up. Now again make another stitch, but it should just come beside the stitch we have make the first one, like this. You can see that this thread is between these two ends. The same way we have to do like this. Again The needle should come beside the first one like this. We will repeat the same process until the end, so it will give a nice look like stand. Last but not the least is chain stitch. For this, we will make a loop like this. And give a loose knot like this. Then again put this needle back in this knot and take it out outside between this. Again give a loose knot. Repeat the same process. Put this needle back in that loop. Bring it up. So you can see that this give a look like a chain. You can use this in detailing of an embroidery like a flower, or you can use to make a whole motif using this. I'll show you at last that I have made a whole motif on this stitch. So we'll do the same thing till the end. It is also said sakdi in Gujarati. I'll show you at last. It's chain effect. As I said, it is used in detailing, so the chain effect will not be seen from here. Now you can see this chain effect, sakli, that we use in Gujarati, gives a complete effect of it. So at last we're gonna secure this with a nice knot. So guys, today we learned 5 stitches: running stitch, satin stitch, criss-cross stitch, stem stitch and chain stitch. So now I am going to show my work related with these stitches, so you can have an idea where to apply these stitches on your fabric. If you guys enjoyed watching my video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have given the link in the description below. So please go and follow. Thanks for watching. We'll meet soon. Bye.